ukuthi hawa kunemloto rail imali khona kunje baziphetha abantwana bakuthi bafuna ubatshengisa abalwi anamrano lwako lapha yani
nangambala sisitshaba sakwanzunza sibetheke elingophiko iqimile ikesi ubaba uMachila uAndresi Mbango Mahlangu uSosibusiso.
Good evening, South Africa. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then I should say you are late. Do so, just click subscribe, then you'll get every breaking news that is happening around you. Well, today I'm not so enthusiastic. I'm so down because of the tragic loss of the Ndebele King, King Andries Sosibusiso Mbango Mahlangu. He was shot dead this past weekend on the Saturday by the group of people who are not yet identified. The cause of the death, we don't know yet. Just to give a brief summary of his history. Back in the 1980s, he was arrested at Witbank Paxton Maximum Prison with the other leaders, to name few, Philip Nzimanzima Mahlangu. He was part of the group that was fighting for Mloto Corridor, of which is still taking place even today. King Mbango Mahlangu, may your soul rest in peace. Ulale ngokuthula Zinyani lenkosi. Moya wakho ulale ngokuthula baba. Sokuhlala sikukhumbula. Bengakafanele ukuthi sikuluze ngendlela le osichiye ngayo. La mamezo ukuchiriya engwenyameni nesigodlweni sakwanzunza amabhoko. Khamba ngokuthula hoshela eminyama kazamanya yakhanya. Sakuhlangana kwelizako. By the way, I'm Emmanuel Nkosinathi Mtimunya. Remember that subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till we meet again. Thank you.
Uma bangasenzeli yonke into yabo izokujama. Asifuni vele ni siyalwa. Yabona into yabo ayijama.
Khamba kuhle mgozana komahotsha hotshela iminyama amanya yakhanya amabhoko sindeni mhla kunethuli bathi mhlangana thuli mhla kuzokuliwa sisitshaba siyabonana.